Alright, come on out to the garden. I want to show you one of my favorite stone fruits. I've made different kinds of fruit, but this one's definitely high on my list. This is a Santa Rosa plum. It grows pretty good here. I live in Las Vegas. We live in Las Vegas. And this is zone 9. Didn't know it was zone 9A. I think we're in zone 9 actually, but sometimes they say zone 8. We're close to it. So today I'm out. The wind was blowing a little bit, and I know that some of the plums have fallen off the tree. As you can see, I have bags. Here's one, look. And this is why I like bags. The main reason is to keep birds out. And another reason is because once you put a bag up there, if it's held pretty good, then when they fall down, they're just gonna fall in the bag. And even if the bag does fall down, they don't get damaged near as much. So I'm gonna go on a little treasure hunt real quick. All right, there's one right there. I'm looking at it. Looks like it didn't get damaged. Hopefully not. Another one here. Gotta look around because I don't want to step on them. Where else? Look over here. Sometimes they fall down. This is a hard place to find them. I don't see anything here. Oh, there's one over there. It's 3 so far. There's one there. I'm gonna leave that. Well, actually, I'm gonna remove that because I don't want tail bugs and stuff going after it. But that one's not gonna be edible. Let's throw it in compost. See any more? I don't see any more. Now I'm gonna look in the tree because sometimes, like I say, the fruit falls into the bag. Oh, there's one right there. See that? Bag's hanging. See if I can get it. Gotta climb up into my big tree. Here we go. My hand's full. There we go. So far I got 4 of them. Now I picked up a bunch this morning, but these are the ones that have fallen down now, lately. And let me look around. That one's still in place. Oh, there's one right there. Look, it fell down in the bag. Saved it from getting broken. Alright, these bags do their job. More ways than one. If I didn't cover them up, the birds would eat most of them. And I wouldn't get very many of them. But I like to get my fair share. As you can see, it's a pretty tall tree. And I don't mind climbing up there. I gotta be real careful, you know, when you're up high, but I got a good ladder. And I trim it back every once in a while, but I like a big tree so I can get a lot of fruit. So I'm gonna open these now and see if any of them got cracked or broken from falling out of the tree. All right, that's it. So I'm looking at them, they look really nice. I don't see any crack spots. Oh, they smell so good. I love plums. So I learned the hard way to do this. I used to wrap them up in tulle. I'll show you what that is. See this fig tree here? This is tulle. It's used in wedding dresses and that kind of stuff. I wrap them up and I tie, which works pretty good, especially figs. But when it comes to, especially with figs, yeah. But when it comes to plums, it's so much easier just to use this because you can secure them on a branch. You can put this over a branch and keep them falling on the ground. You still get a lot fall on the ground, but you can save most of them. I just finished picking the plums off this tree. There's a few left here and there, but I picked most of them, and this is what I got. Look at these bags. They're all in these bags. I just stuffed them in there. I was up in the tree, up high, and I couldn't really sort them out, but I'm gonna take these plums into the house, and I'm gonna take them out and we'll see what we got. Had to cover them all, of course, because of the birds. If I hadn't done that, I wouldn't have got very many. That's the last of the plums. I just picked them. Those are the bags they're in. It's the only way I can keep them from getting eaten by the birds. So now I gotta clean these bags and get them prepared for next year. These picked up over a week ago. And we're gonna make fruit leather out of these. That's what the fruit leather looks like. Dry on these trays and take them out. Once they start drying a bit, finish drying the hair. Really good stuff. Plum and fig.